Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Sunday, the beginning of a new week. Before I get into the new week, last night the culinary expedition was in Nigeria, where I prepared a wonderful dish, corn chaff, or corn chaff. I don't know. It's basically a corn porridge. It's got a lot of stuff in it. Really good. Simple seasonings in it: cumin, coriander, some paprika from Hungary. And the cayenne. And I was careful with the cayenne this time, but it had Thai chilies in it. Ooh, love them. So it was really good. This is a must make. It's almost like a corn chili. It's gonna go repeatable. Yes. It's good. I think it's gonna go into my soup rotation or stew rotation because it's that good. All right, today starts. Basically, I'm going to keep it simple. Comfort food week. We have soups, sandwiches, and some appetizers / side dishes. One of the things I'm really looking forward to, which actually isn't until Saturday, is my baked beans. I had a hard time when I was buying the canned beans, not buying the really big can, because I don't know about you, I love baked beans cold. You do the thing. You make them, bake them, eat them hot with the meal, then leftovers. All right, enough about baked beans. So last week when Rob and I had dinner, I said, "Hey, let's talk about next week." So I basically said I am going to be pulling whatever. I'm doing my chili mac for dinner tonight. I call it the fastest meal in the West, and that means by actually the cooking of. Normally, I get a 5-ounce pico de gallo from Bel Air. I was lazy and didn't drive across town. So I'm going to be kind of doing my own little version, some fresh stuff that's going in it, and I'll go over that with the ingredients. It's basically the same thing. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this comfort food week. I'm just after 6 months and 96 countries, I just needed a little bit of a break, and I just needed But next week, I'll pick up the culinary expedition, and then we have Thanksgiving. Have you been planning yet for your Thanksgiving? I have. Yes, Robin and I have been talking. Robin is coming over for Thanksgiving dinner. Very cool. And we've already gone over the menu. And I already got my shopping list. Of course I do. All right, so let's get to it. I always go with turkey for this. I don't know why. You can use ground turkey. You can use ground beef. I've used ground elk. I just don't know why, but I like the ground turkey in this chili mac. This, as you can see, this is an 85% with 15% fat content. So it's a little juicier. Going with the Bob Evans, since I switched over to Winco, they don't carry the brand I used to use, so I'm going to try out the Bob Evans. I've had luck with their mashed potatoes, so we'll go from there. Part of the pico sub is onion, red bell pepper. I'm going to dice up this jalapeno. I got this one lone Roma. I have more Romas. It'll all depend on how this one cuts out. And of course, I'm going to add some garlic. I'm going to be using my fajita seasoning and my Southwest Blaze chili seasoning to give it a little bit of kick. Because there's other things in it. There's cumin and some other stuff. So those are the seasoning blends I'm going to use. A little bit of water, cilantro, and green onions. So I have a little bit of prep to do. I don't care. Where am I going to go? No, I love doing prep. It's fun. So yeah, Turkey Day is coming up. Veterans Day is Tuesday. Yep, it's obviously November. So on this Sunday, enjoy the weather. Have a great day. Eat great food and have fun cooking.